Good morning, dear children. Can you hear me? Okay. So in the last class we were doing problems related with areas and perimeters of plane figures such as rectangles, squares, triangles, semicircles, circles, etc. Today let us learn some more plane figures. Okay, let us learn some more plane figures like trapeziums, general quadrilaterals, hexagons, etc. So first, let us start with area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. You know that what is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Isn't it? This is a trapezium. So to find the area of a trapezium, we need the length of the parallel sides. Okay, the requirement here is we need this length of the parallel sides. Let that be equal to A and B. Length of the parallel sides. You can take this as A or this as A. One side is A and the other side is B. And the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides, the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides is taken as H. Then area of a trapezium is equal to half H into A plus B. This is the formula for finding area of a trapezium. If the length of the parallel sides are given as A and B and the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is H. So the area of a trapezium is equal to half H into A plus B. This is the first one here. Is it clear? Is this clear to you? Okay. Now the second one is area of a general quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral. A general quadrilateral ABCD is given here. See, we can divide this quadrilateral into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. We can draw a diagonal like this, and the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, and let this diagonal be equal to D. We are taking this as D. See, if we consider the triangle ABC, consider triangle ABC, take this AC as the base and the height from B to AC, this altitude as H1. Okay. Then area of this triangle ABC is half BH. Half B into H. Here base is D and height is H1. Okay. Now the next triangle is ADC. Base is to be considered as AC and the corresponding height from D to this is H2. Let this be equal to H2. So area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half D into H1. Area of triangle ADC is equal to half D into H2. Is this clear? Okay, see now the first triangle area is half D into H1. The second triangle area is half D into H2. How can we find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD? How to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD? We can add the area, these two areas. So area of ABCD is equal to half D into H1 plus half D into H2. So what is common here in these two? Half D is common. What is remaining here? H1 plus H2. This is the formula for finding area of any quadrilateral. So area of any quadrilateral is equal to half D into H1 plus H2. What is D? D is the diagonal, H1 is the first height and H2 is the height of the second triangle, altitude of the second triangle. Okay, this is the formula for the second one, area of a general quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral is equal to half D into H1 plus H2, where D is any one of the diagonals, H1 is the altitude of the first triangle, H2 is the altitude of the second triangle. Now the third one is area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus. No, you know that what is a rhombus? It is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal. Here, if the diagonals are given as D1 and D2. See, the first diagonal here is given as D1 and the second diagonal is D2. This diagonal is given as D1 and the second diagonal as D2. Then area is equal to half D1 D2. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the length of the diagonals. So already we had learned how to find the area of rectangle, square, parallelogram, then circle, semicircle, etc. Now in addition to that, we are learning here how to find the area of a trapezium, how to find the area of a general quadrilateral, and then area of a rhombus. See, here you can write this H, A and B are length of the parallel sides, length of the parallel sides, and H is the perpendicular distance between them, perpendicular distance between them. In this, D is length of one diagonal, H1 and H2 are H1 and H2 are the altitudes of the two triangles. D is the length of one diagonal. H1 and H2 are the altitudes of the two triangles to this diagonal. And here D1 and D2 are the length of the two diagonals. Length of the two diagonals. Okay, let us do some questions now. Exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. You can write the question now. The shape of the top surface of a table, the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Is a trapezium. Find its area. Find its area if its parallel sides are, if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. So now it is given that the shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. So we know that how to find the area of a trapezium, and the measurements are given here. What are given in the question and how we have to denote it. All those who are attending the class now, enter the answer to this. What is A, what is B, and what is H? You know that area of a trapezium is half H into A plus B. So you have to give the answer to this question. What is A, what is B, what is H? Enter your answer. All these three are given here in the question. All of you have to give your answer. Not only the value of A, you have to give B and H. Asha, Rinu, Akshay, Baby Nada, Arnab, Irfan, Amal, Junaid, Kovil, Adin, Aromal, Adityan, Sudeep, all have to give your answer. Where is Adin? Adityan, Sudeep, Arunab. Give your answers now. Okay, see now A is given as 1 meter, B is given as 1.2 meter and H is 0.8 meter. Now we can substitute these values here, and to find the area, half into H is 0.8 into A is 1 plus 1.2. So you can simplify this and find the answer. Get the answer and give it. See, you can cancel this 2 and 0.8. You will get 0.4 here. 1 plus 1.2 is 2.2. Very easy calculations. Do it and give your answer. Aditya, Santosh, Anakha gave the answers. What about others? Amal Raj, okay. Gatha, right. Arunab, okay. Amal Raj, okay. Vishnu, it is 0.88. See the unit. We are finding the area, so the unit is meter square. Vishnu, make the correction. Okay, Shreya, Hari, then Malavika. See the unit. Baby Nada, see the unit. It is 0.88 meter square, not meter. We are finding the area, so its unit is meter square. So I hope it is clear to you. Let us do the second question. Aditya, Puja, okay, it is 0.88 meter square. Devika, right. Let us move to the next one. Second question. Okay. The area of a trapezium is is 34 centimeter square, and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter, and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Find the length of the other parallel side. Find the length of the other parallel side. So you have to read the question and using symbols you have to write what are given here and what we have to find. Let us denote area by capital A. Okay, area is equal to, see, area of a trapezium is A is equal to half h into A plus B. You have to write what are given. What are given here. In this, which letters are known to us? So waiting for your response. Be quick. What are given in this and what we have to find. See, we are not considering it as a base. Two sides, length of two sides is A and B. H is the perpendicular distance. A is the area. So what are given? Is the area given here? Is the area given? It is given as 34 centimeter square. So you can write it like this: A is equal to 34 centimeter square. Then what other measures are given? Area is given as 34 centimeter square. One parallel side, that is the notation. Small letter A can be taken as 10 centimeter. This is the notation for one parallel side, A and B. Either you can write A is equal to 10 or you can write B is equal to 10. And then H is equal to 4. Very good, Anakha. And B is unknown here. We have to find out that. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, now substitute the values. A is 34. This is equal to half into H is 4. Then A is 10 plus B is unknown. So we have to write it as B. Now solve this and find the value of B. Simplify this and get the value of B, give your answer. Okay, very good. Anekha, Aditya, Arunab, Gatha, Amal Raj. Okay. Gatha, write the unit. Unit also. Unni Aravind, Devika, Aditya Pooja. Right. Vishnu. Okay. Anjana S. Raj. Right, Gatha, you corrected it. Very good. Vaishnavi Kishore, Dibin Chandran, check the unit. It is not centimeter square. It is the length of one side. So you have to write it as centimeter, not centimeter square. Okay, very good. See now 34, this is equal to, this 2 and 4 get cancelled, 2 into 10 plus B. So this 2 is multiplied here, so while transposing you will get this as 34 by 2 is equal to 10 plus B, or 17 is equal to 10 plus B, 17 minus 10 is equal to B, B is equal to 7 centimeter. It is the length of one of the parallel sides, so its unit is equal to centimeter. Okay, Akshay and Avani. Shall we move to the next one? Okay. Length of the fence of a trapezium, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field, ABCD is 120 meter if BC is equal to 48 meter, CD equals 17 meter and AD equals 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to parallel sides, perpendicular to the parallel sides. AD and BC. AD and BC. Perpendicular to the parallel sides. The side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. See, with this given description, you have to draw a figure. Okay, read the question well and then draw a figure corresponding to this. See now, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field. Fence means we are considering this as the perimeter. Okay, length of the fence, that means the perimeter of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. That means the sum of all the four sides is equal to 120 meter. Let us draw it, and before drawing it, see if BC is equal to 48 meter and CD is equal to 17 meter, AD 40 meter, and side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. So we have to draw a perpendicular side here. This is a trapezium shaped field. So perpendicular. These two sides are parallel. BC is 48 and AD is 40. So the greater side can be written as AD parallel to BC. It is given. So the greater side can be written as BC. AB is perpendicular. So ABCD. Now mark the sides here. BC 48 meter. AD is 40 meter, CD is 17 meter. Can you find the length of AB? Can you give the length of this side AB? Perimeter is given as 120 meter. Very good, Anekha. So what's the length of AB? Aditya, very good. So to write the steps, see the perimeter is given as, perimeter is equal to 120, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is equal to 120. So only AB is the unknown side. So AB is equal to 120 minus other sides are 40 plus 48 plus 17. So the answer is 15 meter. So you got AB here. AB is equal to 15 meter. It is not centimeter. See the unit given. Karthik. Not 15 centimeter. It is 15 meter. Okay, Rahul, Unni Aravind, Amal Raj, very good. Avani, write the unit. Okay, Arunab, Vishnu, right. It is ABC equal to 15 meter, but this is not the question given to us. Question is find the area of this field. So how can you find the area? Area is equal to half h into a plus b, where h is the perpendicular distance which we had found here as 15 meter. This is the perpendicular distance, and the parallel sides a is equal to 40, b is equal to 48. Okay, you can substitute the values here and find the area. Half into h is 15, a is 40, b is 48. Find out the answer. Okay, very good. It is 660 meter square. I hope all of you got this answer. 660 meter square. Very good. All of you are doing it. And got the answer as 660 meters square. Right? Let us move to the next question. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field (24 meter) and the perpendiculars dropped on it perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So a quadrilateral shaped field is given. A, B, C, D. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. So let us draw the diagonal here. This is given as 24 meter. A diagonal is given as 24 meter. And the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices. So the perpendicular opposite vertices here are A and C. So the perpendiculars dropped on it. Perpendicular from A and perpendicular from C. These two are 8 meter and 13 meter. 8 meter and 13 meter. So this is a general quadrilateral. So area is equal to half D into H1 plus H2. Diagonal is given to us, which is 24 meter. So we can substitute the values. Half into diagonal is 24 meter. And the perpendiculars are H1 and H2, which are given as 8 and 13. Find the answer. Okay. So you got the answer as 252 meter square. Very good. It is 252 meter square. Right. Let us do one more question. One more question here. The diagonals of a rhombus are The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the area. Find its area. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So which formula we have to apply here? Which formula we have to apply here? Area is equal to half d1 d2. Very good. Half d1 d2. The measures are given. d1 is 7.5. d1 is 7.5 centimeter and d2 is given as 12 centimeter. You can apply the values, find the answer. Half into 7.5 into 12. Find out the answer. Half into 7.5 into 12. Okay, it is 45 centimeter square. 45 centimeter square. Do the question number 6 of this exercise as homework. Question number 6. Okay, question number 6, exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. If you enjoyed the class, press the like button before leaving the class. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day.